ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Menteri Sorkar Bapet ia ketenat PHE Marquis Marak ulapan pau badai tat ondala dep ia ka Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme. Jong ka face ka balai on salak ban Pynbiang ia ka jingdon kam kipat ba jong ganong ba Shillong. Habaya keren bat kilat patai kubor Marquis ulaya tu ba ka Sorkar kamdon daki wei pat kilat. Namar ba barok kitip badai tangkawa yo ka basam syanong ba Shillong. Shushu ula pentip ru baya ka skim Jal Jivan Mission lamang kerpang tangya kisnong hanong gendong. Bat hagi benta jong ka sor ki yo lengba ka jingbei tingka na ka Sorkar keme lengba ki skim beper.
Is for the rural area. So urban, we are getting getting fund from the government of India also from different schemes. Like from Amrut also we got for William Nagar, and from Nesit also we are going to get some for some of the towns, and likewise we are getting from government of India from different schemes.
But all the localities are facing acute shortage of water.
True, and especially you're talking about Shillong.
Yeah.
Shillong, yes. Shillong, too, we know very well that only on the completion of the Shillong Greater Water Supply Scheme we'll be able to, satisfy the needs of the town.
So what is an interim measure?
We don't have any interim measure right now because we did have to depend on the Umyo water supply, the river for the supply of water to Shillong city. JJM now also I can say that we have attained 74.47% in the state. It is already uploaded in the JJM dashboard. Everyone can browse it and go through it. And in number wise, 4,85,122 household has been connected. So what is their problem? I don't know. There will be small issues because we are implementing thousands of schemes, thousands of schemes. So that small issues we are also trying our level best to rectify. But some of the projects which they say is not true. Some of the projects last time they alleged that some corruption is going on, but practically there is not a corruption. The project was delayed because there were some obstructions when the construction started. So to resolve the constructions, we took some time. So now once the problem is resolved, the work is going on in a full swing. So therefore no lapses from the part of the department and from the part of the government. Practically in implementation of JJM is very transparent. Once you complete, you will not be able to draw the bill as they claim. How you will get your bill? Once you complete the work, you have to report it. The third party is there. Third party has to report that the JJM for so and so village has been completed. The water is flowing very perfectly, and then people have started getting the water. Only then the bill will be sent for the payment. So only after that payment is done, and payment also is under system.
But you missed the deadline, no?
We are not missing the deadline. That was given, the target was given for the January, but every state is also not completing that January deadline. We are also, now we are in the 74.47%. We are hopeful of, completing the target by March, April. We are trying our level best, we are pushing it. Some of the projects are getting delayed because of the power connections, power issues too. There are lots of power issues. So these are the issues because of which we got delayed. Generic statement. We are not providing water which is containing arsenic, arsenics or what is that contain. The report came in the government of India. That was that water is from the groundwater. We are providing from the river water. So therefore, we don't have that content of arsenic in our water supply schemes. And those arsenic founds are found from the from the underground waters. So underground waters, we're not supplying that underground waters.
So sometimes
Water we are getting treated. If you visit Moplang area, Moplang itself, in the treatment plant itself, there's a laboratory. In that laboratory, every day we test the waters, whether it's fit for drinking or not. So we give the treated water. Supplying to the city, the distribution part is with the municipal board. So it's municipal board who is distributing the waters here. You supply to the municipal board tanks.